Hello everyone, my name is Akash and today I am presenting another video on Oracle 12.2 new features. In my previous video post, I have already discussed the new features of Oracle 12.2, especially at the architecture level where the application containers have been introduced. In this video post, I have defined a few more new features, which comes under the miscellaneous part basically, and we will see what new things have been added in 12.2, especially at the PDB and CDB management. So let's move ahead and see what's new in Oracle 12.2. First and foremost, flashback database. If you can recall, in 12.1, the flashback of CDB root was not possible without flashing back the whole CDB. So for that, we had to flash back the whole container database in 12.1. Starting with version 12.2, PDB flashback is similar to CDB flashback. So the way we use in CDB flashback, the way we were doing it in 12.1, same way we will use in 12.2 to do the PDB flashback. So I can send a pluggable database back in time independently of its container. Okay, so this is something new which is added in 12.2. Apart from that, SGS settings at PDB level. If you can recall 12.1, one of the biggest flaw which I could see personally of the design was the management of SGA, and PGA was not there at the pluggable database level. We could manage the CPU, we could manage the parallelism, we could manage the resources using database resource manager feature. But yes, the management of SGA, for example, setting up the SGA target, setting up the SGA min size was not there. So starting with version 12.2, Oracle introduces SGA management at PDB level. So now setting an SGA target for a PDB enforces a hard limit for the PDB's SGA, and it provides more SGA for other containers within the CDB. The sum of all the pluggable databases SGA target does not necessarily need to be less than the instance SGA target, but yes, each PDB SGA target, it can't exceed the instance SGA target nor the SGA map size. And please remember, SGA target for PDB works only if CDB's SGA target is set. So any PDB level SGA management will be done if we have defined something at the SGA target of the container level. Otherwise, it won't be possible for us to manage the SGA target on a PDB level. So this was at SGA's level parameter which is added. So SGA min size is a new parameter starting with version 12.2 that you can specify for a PDB, and when you set it, SGA minimum size for a PDB, it will guarantee this SGA space for that particular pluggable database. So dominating one PDB was dominating other in 12.1. So that thing will no longer happen in 12.2. You can specify a min size that beyond this, my SGA should not be contracted. This is the minimum size which I always need for a particular pluggable database. Right. Apart from that, what else we have got here is PGA setting at PDB level. So if you can recall again 12.1, PGA management was only at CDB level. Starting with 12.2, PGA management can be done at PDB level. So I can specify PGA aggregate limit or PGA aggregate target parameters at the pluggable database level. Alright, so this is going to give us much more benefit than what we had earlier. At the PDB levels, we could not control the PGA memories. So now it is again possible in 12.2, a very good enhancement which have been made in this version. Alright, now next is controlling I/O. So in the last of this video, the controlling I/O is something which is added in 12.2. So back in version 12.1, there was no control on the I/O which were done by a PDB. Okay, starting with 12.2, these two parameters have been added. to control the IO and of course the max Mbps. So if you specify max IOPS, this parameter will enforce a value on IO rate, and it is specified as the number of IOs issued per second from a PDB. Second is max Mbps. This parameter will enforce a limit on IO throughput, and it is specified as the MB of IO issued per second at the PDB. So both of these parameters will be added at the PDB level, okay, and this will help us to control the IO overflow or the flood of the transactions or the overloaded transactions that a PDB does, and it makes a lot of contention in the PDB level, also somewhere at the network level. So those things can also be now controlled. So this was for this video of mine. This is for the today's session, and thanks for watching this video. If you need any other video from my side, if you need me to explain any other topic, please do not forget to mention that in the comment section. And if you like the video, please like my channel and subscribe my channel on YouTube. Thanks a lot for watching this video.